In this video, I will show you how to fix low volume in Windows. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. First, check the volume control of your headphones or speakers. There might be a separate volume dial or knob you can adjust. If that does not fix the problem, make sure you have tried increasing the volume in Windows. To do that, go to the bottom right corner, click on the speaker icon and adjust the volume. If the issue persists, click on the search bar at the bottom of Windows and type volume mixer or sound mixer. Go to sound settings and you can find it right here, volume mixer. Open it and you will see that you can control the volume for different apps. Make sure the volume for each app, like Google Chrome, is turned up. If adjusting the volume mixer does not work, open the specific program with low sound, such as Discord. Go to the user settings right here. Find the sound or audio settings, scroll down until you see it, voice and video, and increase the output volume. Hopefully one of these methods solves your problem. If it did, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.